Welcome to our tutorial on how to fill out a Florida car title. If you are selling or giving away a vehicle in Florida, you need to transfer the title to the new owner. Let's walk through the steps to complete this process. First, create a bill of sale. This document should include the vehicle's make, model, year, color, and vehicle identification number. It should also identify the buyer and seller and list the sales price. If the vehicle is sold, include the sales tax. Make sure to fill in the Transfer of Title by Seller section on the title certificate, including an odometer reading taken in the buyer's presence. Have the buyer sign in the space provided. Next, gather the necessary documentation. The buyer must provide proof of auto liability insurance with coverage limits required by Florida law. This can be an insurance card, a copy of the policy, or a notarized affidavit. Also, obtain a copy of the buyer's government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Then, fill out a Florida application for certificate of title without registration and have the buyer sign it. The buyer's signature does not need to be notarized. Prepare a check or money order for the title transfer fee. This fee varies based on factors like the vehicle's previous registration location and whether expedited service is requested. Generally, fees range from $70 to $80. Finally, send the bill of sale, the old certificate of title, copies of the buyer's proof of insurance and photo ID, the application for a new certificate of title, and the title transfer fee to the county tax collector's office in the buyer's county of residence. A new certificate of title will be issued to the buyer within a few weeks, or sooner if expedited service is requested. Remember, never make false statements in a title application, as this could lead to legal consequences. If you are giving the car away, you will need to create an affidavit signed by both you and the recipient. We hope this guide helps you successfully fill out a Florida car title. Thank you for watching.